Close your eyes now and let your body sink into comfort. Tonight, we journey through the vast cosmos, exploring the mysteries of life beyond our world. You don't need to remember anything. Just let these gentle discoveries wash over you, like starlight on a calm ocean. As we drift together through space and time, allow yourself to become completely relaxed. Somewhere out there, beyond our blue Earth, exists something we call extraterrestrial life. It's simply any form of life that lives outside our planet. Imagine life blooming on distant worlds, under alien suns, in ways we can barely dream of. For hundreds of years, humans have gazed at the stars and wondered, are we alone? Scientists and dreamers alike have pondered this question, generation after generation, their curiosity floating upward like dandelion seeds on a summer breeze. Picture the entire universe as a vast, dark ocean. Now imagine that 70% of this cosmic sea is made of something mysterious called dark energy. It flows through everything, invisible and unexplained, like a secret current in the depths of space. A scientist named Frank Drake created a special equation. It helps us estimate how many alien civilizations might be talking to each other right now in our galaxy alone. Think of it as counting whispered conversations across an impossibly large room. Special radio telescopes, like giant ears listening to space, search for signals from distant civilizations. They're part of something called SETI, patiently waiting to hear a hello from the stars. Day and night they listen to the cosmic silence. A space telescope named Kepler has found thousands of worlds orbiting other stars. Some of these planets float in just the right distance from their suns, where water could exist as a liquid. Like Goldilocks porridge, not too hot, not too cold. Scientists call it the Fermi paradox. With so many stars and so many possibilities for life, why haven't we met our cosmic neighbors yet? It's like being at the world's largest party, but finding all the rooms empty. In 1977, on a quiet night, a radio telescope called Big Ear heard something extraordinary. A strong signal from space lasting exactly 72 seconds. Scientists wrote "Wow" on the printout. The signal never returned, leaving us with a beautiful mystery. This mysterious "wow" signal came from the direction of Sagittarius, a constellation shaped like an archer. For those 72 seconds, something out there seemed to be calling across the void. Then silence returned, like a shooting star that fades. Some scientists believe that complex life like us might be extremely rare. They call this the rare Earth hypothesis. Perhaps our blue planet is like finding a perfect pearl in an ocean of ordinary stones. Life might travel between worlds, carried by comets and meteors, like seeds blown by cosmic winds. This idea is called panspermia. Imagine tiny passengers journeying through space for millions of years, waiting to find a new home. On Earth, we've found life in the strangest places. Deep ocean vents where water boils with minerals. Frozen Antarctic valleys. These hardy creatures show us that life finds a way, even in impossible conditions. Perhaps advanced aliens are already watching us, like visitors at a zoo. The zoo hypothesis suggests they might choose not to interfere, letting us develop naturally, while they observe from afar with gentle curiosity. Imagine not just one universe, but countless universes, each with different rules, different kinds of physics. Some might be perfect for forms of life we cannot even imagine. Infinite possibilities floating like bubbles in an endless cosmic bath. Alien life might look nothing like us. It could be based on completely different chemistry, like comparing a rose to a crystal formation. Both beautiful, both complex, but built from different blueprints of existence. Here on Earth, tiny creatures called extremophiles live in places that would destroy us. Boiling hot springs, freezing cold deserts. They show us that life is more creative and resilient than we ever dreamed. Scientists have wondered if life could be built from silicon instead of carbon, like constructing a house with glass instead of wood. So far, it remains a beautiful possibility, waiting in the realm of theory. If we found intelligent aliens, we would face deep questions. What does it mean to think, to be conscious, to communicate? These mysteries might unlock new understanding of minds throughout the universe. Intelligence might be the rarest flower in the cosmic garden. The path from simple life to thinking beings requires so many perfect steps, like a delicate dance through billions of years of evolution. Advanced civilizations might possess technologies beyond our dreams, but even they cannot break the speed of light. That cosmic speed limit remains absolute, like an unbreachable wall in the laws of physics. To talk with aliens, we would use the electromagnetic spectrum. Radio waves, light, and other signals traveling at light speed across the vast darkness, like messages in bottles thrown into an infinite ocean. In 1974, humans sent our first message to the stars. The Arecibo message contained pictures and numbers showing who we are and where we live. A postcard sent to unknown friends. Scientists are exploring laser communication, beams of light carrying information across interstellar distances, like lighthouse signals sweeping through the cosmic night. Advanced aliens might build structures we can barely imagine, Dyson spheres around stars, harvesting energy on an astronomical scale, turning entire solar systems into power sources for their civilizations. Throughout history, people have reported strange objects in the sky, unidentified flying objects, UFOs. These sightings have been documented across cultures and centuries, like persistent mysteries floating through time. In 1947, something crashed near Roswell, New Mexico. The incident became famous, sparking decades of speculation about visitors from space, a mystery that continues to capture imaginations. From 1952 to 1969, the U.S. government investigated UFO sightings in Project Blue Book. Thousands of reports were examined and catalogued. Most had ordinary explanations, but some remained puzzling. Ancient civilizations, like the Sumerians and Egyptians, created artifacts showing remarkable astronomical knowledge. Some wonder if they had help from visitors among the stars. The term UFO was created in 1953 by the U.S. Air Force, a simple acronym for Unidentified Flying Objects, giving official language to humanity's age-old wonder about mysterious lights in the sky. In 2020, the Pentagon released 3 remarkable videos showing unexplained aerial phenomena, objects moving in ways that challenge our understanding of physics and flight. New mysteries for a new century. The U.S. Department of Defense created a special task force to investigate these sightings. They call them unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs, a systematic approach to ancient questions. Scientists remain divided about these mysterious sightings. Some see natural phenomena. Others suspect human-made objects. The debate continues, like waves lapping at the shore of the unknown. NASA has joined the investigation of UAPs, bringing scientific rigor to the study of unexplained phenomena. Space agency eyes turned both outward to stars and inward to our own skies. Exobiology is the study of life beyond Earth. Scientists explore the conditions that might support living beings on distant worlds. It's like being a detective of life across the cosmos. Quantum mechanics and Einstein's relativity challenge our understanding of reality itself. These deep theories might hold keys to understanding the fundamental nature of existence everywhere. Some scientists theorize about wormholes, tunnels through space-time that could connect distant parts of the universe, like secret passages in the cosmic architecture, shortcuts through infinity. Time itself might pass differently for travelers moving at incredible speeds. Time dilation means that a journey across the galaxy could age travelers less than those left behind. String theory suggests that the smallest particles are actually tiny strings vibrating in multiple dimensions, like cosmic violin strings playing the music of reality itself. Black holes are regions where gravity becomes so strong that they warp space and time. Around them, the universe bends, like fabric stretched by an impossibly heavy weight. Astrobiology is the scientific study of life in the universe. Scientists explore how life begins, evolves, and spreads. It's the science of life's greatest possibilities. Extremophiles on Earth teach us about life's resilience. These hardy organisms survive in conditions that would destroy us. They're like living proof that life finds a way in impossible places. Mars, our red neighbor, has captured scientific attention evidence of ancient water and organic molecules suggest it might have hosted life in its distant past. A world that once might have been alive. Jupiter's moon, Europa, and Saturn's moon, Enceladus, hide vast oceans beneath their icy shells. These dark waters, warmed by tidal forces, might harbor microbial life. Scientists have found thousands of exoplanets. Some orbit in the habitable zone, that perfect distance where liquid water could exist on their surfaces. Worlds that might be oases of life. The observable universe stretches 93 billion light-years across its vast diameter. To cross it, light itself would need 93 billion years. Imagine the distance light travels in just 1 second. Then multiply by countless billions. More than 2 trillion galaxies float in the observable universe, each one containing billions or trillions of stars. It's like counting every grain of sand on every beach on Earth, then multiplying by millions. Our Milky Way galaxy contains between 100 and 400 billion stars, each one a potential sun for alien worlds. The number is so vast, it's like trying to count snowflakes in a blizzard. The Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest large neighbor, is racing toward us. In about 4.5 billion years, our galaxies will merge in a cosmic dance, creating new star formations and new possibilities for life. The distances between stars are almost incomprehensible. Light from our nearest star neighbor takes over 4 years to reach us. Communication across such distances would be like having conversations with decades between question and answer. When massive stars die, they explode as supernovae. These cosmic fireworks can outshine entire galaxies for months, scattering heavy elements, the building blocks of planets and life, throughout space. Gamma-ray bursts are the most energetic events we've ever observed. These cosmic explosions release more energy in a few seconds than our Sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. Neutron stars are the collapsed cores of massive stars, so dense that a teaspoon of their material would weigh as much as a mountain. They spin rapidly like cosmic lighthouses. The cosmic microwave background is the afterglow of the Big Bang. This faint radiation fills all of space, carrying the echo of our universe's birth 13.8 billion years ago. Life on Earth depends on liquid water, but alien life might use different solvents. Ammonia or methane could serve the same purpose on worlds with different temperatures and pressures. Life is defined by several key characteristics: reproduction, metabolism, and response to environment. But these definitions might need to expand when we encounter truly alien forms of existence. Some Earth creatures create their own light through bioluminescence. Fireflies, deep-sea fish, and glowing bacteria show us that life is creative and full of surprises. The search for aliens includes looking for the simplest forms. Single-celled organisms might be the most common life in the universe. Tiny but significant signs of biology. DNA and RNA carry life's instructions on Earth. But alien biochemistry might use completely different molecules, different alphabets for writing the story of life. Discovering alien life would raise profound ethical questions. How should we treat extraterrestrial beings? What responsibilities would we have as cosmic neighbors? These questions challenge our moral imagination. The United Nations created the Outer Space Treaty, providing guidelines for space exploration. It establishes principles for the peaceful use of outer space and the search for extraterrestrial life. Scientists emphasize planetary protection. We must be careful not to contaminate potentially habitable worlds with Earth life, preserving the purity of alien environments for future study. Contact with aliens could transform human culture. Our religions, philosophies, and understanding of ourselves might change forever. It would be the most significant event in human history. The ethics of communication with alien civilizations sparks ongoing debate. Should we actively send messages or simply listen? What are the risks and responsibilities of cosmic conversation? NASA's Perseverance rover explores the surface of Mars, searching for signs of ancient life. It collects rock samples that might contain fossilized microorganisms from a wetter, warmer Mars. The James Webb Space Telescope studies the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, looking for chemical signatures that might indicate life. Oxygen, methane, and water vapor could be telltale signs of biological activity. Future missions to Europa and Enceladus might send probes through their icy shells into the hidden oceans below. These submarines of space could search for signs of alien marine life. Studying asteroids and comets helps us understand how water and organic molecules arrived on Earth. These cosmic wanderers might have delivered the ingredients for life to many worlds. The idea of humans living on other planets raises questions about adaptation and survival. How would we change to live under alien skies? What would it mean to become a multi-planetary species? Different cultures define life differently. What seems alive to one civilization might seem inert to another. The concept of life itself might expand when we encounter truly alien forms of existence. Finding alien life would challenge our traditional views of humanity's special place in the universe. We might discover we are part of a much larger cosmic community. Stories of aliens have inspired literature, movies, and art for generations. They reflect our deepest hopes and fears about what lies beyond our pale blue dot. The search for alien life brings together scientists from many fields. Biologists, astronomers, physicists, and chemists all contribute to this grand quest for cosmic understanding. This search drives technological advancement. New telescopes, space probes, and analytical techniques are developed to answer the question, are we alone? These tools benefit all of science. Studying the universe reveals the interconnectedness of all matter and energy. The atoms in our bodies were forged in stars. We are literally made of stardust, connected to the cosmos. Understanding how life began on Earth provides clues about life's potential elsewhere. The same physical laws and chemical processes operate throughout the universe. Space exploration fosters international cooperation. Scientists from different nations work together, sharing knowledge and resources in the pursuit of cosmic questions that transcend earthly boundaries. The search for aliens unites humanity in a common purpose. It transcends national borders and cultural differences. We are all fellow travelers on this cosmic journey. Astrobiology principles highlight the shared characteristics of life everywhere. Whether from Earth or distant worlds, life might share fundamental properties and common origins. Discovering extraterrestrial life would profoundly impact science, philosophy, and society. It would answer one of humanity's oldest questions and raise countless new ones about our place in the cosmic story. Public fascination with alien life influences funding for scientific research. Popular interest drives support for space missions and the search for life beyond Earth. Learning about alien biology could advance medicine and technology. New biochemistries might suggest novel treatments or materials benefiting life on Earth. Encountering intelligent aliens would reshape our understanding of consciousness and intelligence. What does it mean to think and feel in an alien mind? These questions probe the deepest mysteries of existence. Cooperative relationships with alien civilizations raise questions about communication and cultural exchange. How would different species share knowledge and build understanding across the cosmic divide? Advancing technology enhances our ability to detect exoplanets and analyze their properties. Each new tool brings us closer to answering the profound question of whether life exists beyond Earth. Robotic missions could explore distant celestial bodies. These mechanical ambassadors travel where humans cannot, extending our senses to far-off worlds in search of life. Scientists develop innovative methods to detect biosignatures, chemical or physical signs that indicate life. These techniques help us identify potentially habitable worlds from vast distances. Future crewed missions to Mars and beyond could provide first-hand data about extraterrestrial environments. Human explorers might be the first to confirm life beyond Earth. The pursuit of knowledge about alien life is an endless journey. Each discovery leads to new questions and deeper mysteries. The quest itself enriches our understanding of life and the universe. Scientists approach the search for alien life with caution and ethics. Great discoveries require great responsibility. To conduct research with integrity and consideration for potential consequences. Preventing contamination of other celestial bodies is a crucial concern. We must protect potentially habitable environments from Earth microorganisms, preserving their pristine state for future study. Planetary protection principles aim to prevent harmful biological interactions between Earth and other planets. These guidelines ensure responsible exploration of the cosmos. The scientific community emphasizes transparency and collaboration in studying extraterrestrial life. Open sharing of data and methods accelerates discovery and ensures accuracy. Balancing exploration with ethical considerations is essential for responsible science. We must pursue knowledge while respecting the environments and life we might encounter. The quest for alien life continues to inspire scientific inquiry and public imagination. It represents humanity's drive to explore, discover, and understand our place in the universe. Understanding the universe and our place in it remains one of humanity's greatest challenges. This quest unites us in wonder and curiosity. Studying extraterrestrial life expands our knowledge of biology, chemistry, and the universe itself. Each discovery adds another piece to the cosmic puzzle of existence. The possibility of discovering alien life raises questions about humanity's future and our role in the cosmic community. What would it mean to share the universe with other thinking beings? The search for extraterrestrial life reflects the universal human desire to explore and understand. As you drift towards sleep, let this wonder fill your dreams with infinite possibilities and cosmic connections. And so our journey through the cosmos ends. For now, rest peacefully, knowing that somewhere among the countless stars, life might be looking back at our small blue world with the same wonder and hope. Sleep well.